Hi there, my name is Linda Artisani, and I'm so glad you chose to watch this video and learn some more about the Accountants Law Lab. So what is the Accountants Law Lab? The Accountants Law Lab is a paid mastermind group where you get to meet with me and Sarah Prevost, my business partner, where we spend an hour every Friday. We spend it at 9 a.m. Pacific and noontime Eastern, and we talk about legal accounting. We help our members learn more about legal accounting. So some of the topics we've done in the past, and we're really open to any topic if a member has any questions, but some of the topics we've done in the past have been trust accounting. We've talked about client costs and how to book them into the accounting software. We've talked about attorney payroll and what's the nuances around that. Attorney compensation programs is another topic. We've just had many topics over the past year or so, year plus now that we've been doing this. It's a really wonderful group of people. So whether you have one attorney client or many, this is the group for you. You'll get to work directly with us. We'll help you market your firm. If you're thinking about niching your practice, this is the place to be because we'll help you and guide you through niching your firm and coming to a place of specialization, which I think almost everybody should consider because it's been very fulfilling. And I have to say, I think it's been my best business decision over the years is to niche my firm and specialize. It allows you to really help your client more, which is really the goal, the end goal for all of us, right? Is maybe make some money and help people with their businesses. And that's kind of the job of an accountant. So we get to do more high level stuff. So if you're tired of just doing data entry and pushing numbers through and not having communication with your client, when you specialize, you are able to actually have those really strong client conversations and help them grow and help guide them through their business so that on the other side of it, they're looking at a profitable firm. So one of the features you do get with working with us is a private page, a private website where we have specialized content just for you. In addition to that specialized content, you get to view all the past meetings as well. So they're all housed in there. So if you're a paid member, you can go back and watch the other videos. So this is really probably the biggest benefit, besides the fact that you can get one-on-one conversations with me and Sarah. So I think that's the other big piece that's important that you'll get with us. And you can also get some discounted time if you really want one-on-ones with me and Sarah, helping you with your client. Plus, we do that on an open forum week. Every third week of the month, we talk about anything that our members want to bring to us. If they have a new software they want us to dive into, we'll do that. Any problems that they're having with a client or how to communicate with the client, we help them with that. So that's what Open Forum Week is about. And then that fourth week of the month, we either do a software demo that will work with our workflow or workflow with our members. And then we also will do guest speakers. So that's kind of a fun week as well. So that's just some of the things that you get when you're working with us in our group. We do also have sometimes we'll have some leads. We'll share leads. If there's a client that doesn't particularly fit with our firm, we'll maybe share it with you, and the members can do that as well. So it's a great referral source. It's just a great group of people. And our members have been just so giving of their time. And I've learned just as much from our members as probably they've learned from me. So it's a really wonderful group. I hope you join us. It's $77 a month, and you get to have all of this content and more. I'm going to give you a sneak peek as to what that content looks like, and you'll get an idea. I'm just going to take you a little guide through our private space. So this is what the private space looks like. You can come right in here and just ask a question. And Sarah and I stay on top of this so we can answer questions that you may have. We also have a lot of topics. So we have private groups where you can make form your own group. We've had some members do that. They've created a little collaborative group. So we also have this beautiful section of topics. I'm just going to take you through at a very high level. So I don't want to open it up and expose any of the members or questions anybody's had, but these are some of the topics that we dive into. And you just come in here and any of these you can click to follow, and you can see the content that's in there. As you can see, we have accounts payable, compensation. So best practices for all of these things, what we think is probably best for our client, our members here. And then I'm going to take you into the meetings one because that's mostly me where I put the meetings. And I just wanted to show you really quickly some of the meetings that we have had in here. So we've got engagement letters. And then this one was about how to have conversations with your clients, the difficult conversations. We had some with obviously talk about trust accounting and how to fix the trust accounting. That was a really popular one. We're going to be doing a part 2. And then this was Open Forum Week. We record parts of that, but sometimes if somebody wants to talk about something sensitive, we'll shut the video off. We talked about KPIs in law firms, so there's just so many topics. So as you can see, there's a lot there to jump into if you join our group, and we'd love to have you in our meetings every week. We really have a wonderful bunch of people there. There's a lot of ways to learn and grow. I hope you join us.